Imagine two people. They both wake up at 7 a.m. They both have laptops. They both have internet. But by the end of the year, one of them earns 5 times more than the other. Not because they worked harder, not because they were more talented, but because one of them understood something the other didn't. Artificial intelligence is not replacing humans. It is amplifying certain humans. And that difference is creating the biggest wealth divide of our generation. Let's understand how. Most people think AI is a job killer. That's the popular narrative. AI will replace everyone. But that's incomplete. Because historically, technology doesn't eliminate productivity. It redistributes advantage. During the Industrial Revolution, machines didn't eliminate humans. Now, they made factory owners exponentially richer. During the Internet Revolution, websites didn't eliminate workers. They made platform owners billionaires. Now, AI is doing something similar, but this time the shift is happening faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence is not just automation. It is intelligence amplification. If you are already skilled, AI multiplies your output. If you are average, I may only slightly improve your efficiency. If you ignore AI, you fall behind. This creates 3 layers of people. AI leverage class, AI assisted class, AI displaced class. And the gap between them is growing at every quarter. Across business platforms, AI tool adoption among executives and high-skilled professionals is accelerating. Software engineers using AI coding assistants are completing tasks faster. Consultants are producing research more efficiently. Content creators are scaling production with smaller teams. Startups are reaching revenue milestones with fewer employees. Meanwhile, routine roles are seeing automation pressure. This isn't theory, it's structural shift. We are entering a phase where productivity growth is not evenly distributed. AI increases returns for those who own compute infrastructure, data access. AI models distribution channels. This concentrates wealth because when productivity scales without proportional labor growth, capital captures more value. In simple terms, if one person using AI can do the work of 5, the company doesn't hire 4 more people. It increases margins. That margin flows upward. Something new is forming. An intelligence elite, not defined by IQ, but by AI fluency. The ability to use AI tools strategically, automate intelligently, integrate systems, build leverage. This is becoming a new economic advantage, just like coding skill was in 2010, but broader, more powerful, and more scalable. This divide is not just individual, it is national. Countries with stronger AI infrastructure, semiconductor control, and energy capacity will grow faster. Countries without it risk dependency. This turns AI into a geopolitical multiplier, not just an economic tool. When wealth concentrates faster than opportunity expands, societies feel tension. We've seen this before. After industrialization, after globalization, after the internet boom, now AI is accelerating that cycle. But here's the key difference: speed. AI cycles move in months, not decades. Now here's the important part. This divide is not fixed. We are still early. The tools are accessible, but the knowledge gap is widening. The real opportunity is not learning AI. It's understanding leverage. How to combine AI with business models, distribution, capital, systems. Those who learn this now will build disproportionate advantage. Those who delay will compete in shrinking margins. In the next 5 to 10 years, we may see smaller companies generating larger revenues, solo founders running AI-driven teams, professionals managing AI agents instead of doing manual work. New wealth created at unprecedented speed. We may also see skill redundancy accelerating, wage polarization increasing, power centralization intensifying. Both outcomes can coexist. That is the complexity of this moment. Artificial intelligence is not just a technology shift, it is a leverage shift. The divide will not be between humans and machines. It will be between humans who use machines intelligently and those who don't. The question is not whether AI will create inequality. The question is whether you will position yourself on the right side of it. Because in every technological revolution, the biggest risk was never the machine, it was misunderstanding the shift.